Going on, Bailey Wise with yet another video. And I know the last time y'all saw me, bro, I'm gonna put an instant replay right here. See the party. Look like foreskin. Oh! Track hawk coming soon. Now, I know y'all are like, bro, you just got that car, you can't drive. I'm aware of all that's about to come. It happens, but God works in mysterious ways. If you are new to the channel, I'm Bailey Wise, and I wrecked my Zl1 1Le, and yeah, I've got to figure that out. Wrecked it in the most crazy way. If y'all are new to the channel, go watch the video before this and you'll see more into detail. Well, I didn't end up getting the video I said I was going to get. That could have been way worse. Y'all saw the incident. I could have been on the interstate, flipped, died, killed my best friend, or hit his car, the other car and my car, and everything just worked out. I want to say thank you to Vitaly, Vlad, his friends that all were there, the tow truck, everybody that, like, I had a tow truck there in 20 minutes, bro. It was a bad situation, but money and cars are just replaceable. But it's weird how it all works. I've got this whole plan. I'm going to sit down and do another video, so let me know down below. I'm going to do a reaction video. I'm going to be telling you all my plans, showing you all the damage of this car and other videos as time comes, because this is literally the 12 hours after I wrecked my car. But I didn't get my Instagram video, and I'm pretty much yapping because I want y'all to know, bro. Life works in the mysterious ways. And I tint windows for all y'all boys new to the channel. And if I turn this camera around, bro, I'm about to tint a 458 chat. I've got a 458, and we have never had nothing like this in the shop. And it wasn't even like on my schedule to get tinted, bro. It just got dropped off and said it was getting tinted. And my first video for my dad's business is about to be a 458 Ferrari, bro. And if y'all know, this is insane. Like, this is unreal, bro. This is a $250,000 car, bro. A 458 Ferrari. So if you are new to the channel and you like car content, I guess I'm your boy. Life is about to go down a weird path, bro. But I'm going to give y'all a full walk around on this 458, dude. I've never even seen one of these really up close. And now I'm about to work on my first one that I've ever sat in, worked on, anything in my first. It's like, I don't know, I'm at a loss for words, chat. Just know I'm gonna open this door right here. First time ever touching a Ferrari door, bro. And I'm so excited to be able to share this with y'all, man, because I do share all my moments in life. If you can touch it, feel it, you can have it, man. Shout out to Quan for that saying. I know everybody says that, but bro, literally carbon everywhere. Look at the seats, bro. Ferrari down here. Doing a little bit of manifestation right now. And it feels insane. I should be sitting on the driver's seat, but I'm going to be over there working anyway. Look at this F1 fighter style. Gosh, bro. 458 Ferrari. #1 Formula World Tour titles. I don't even know. I never would have thought I would have been in here, chat. And if you are new to the channel, bro, I'm the person that literally is making dreams come true for himself. And I never would have thought I'd be sitting in this car, let alone the day after I wrecked mine. Life is crazy of how it works, and I just want y'all to know, just stay true to God, pray, never give up, and you can achieve this, dude. This is all I've ever thought about being able to do in my life, and I'm here. But enough of the yap session, bro. I gotta tint this car, so next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be cutting up tint to tint this car. We don't gotta do a whole lot. We'll get you right, bro. If you got any crazy cars and you need them tinted, I'm your guy to do that. If you got any crazy ideas that you need done to your car, just call the shop and we will get it set up. Unique Audio in Spartanburg, bro. We're about to turn up. I'm about to tint this car. I'm about to see y'all boys in the next one. We got a crazy day. We've got to figure out what to do about my wreck Z. Maybe I'll go see it, show y'all the more damage in the daylight. Figure out what's done to the car, and we're going to move day by day. And I'm not going to give up on YouTube, bro. I did just wreck my content car, and that whole car is pretty much just for YouTube, and that's what my channel is about, but I'm going to have to improvise, so let's see where this channel goes. 2024 is a big year, but we're going to make things happen. I'm in a 458 right now, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? So we're about to turn up, bro. I'm going to see y'all boys in a second, man. Like, look at these, bro. Oh my God. I'm in a 458 right now, bro. If you would have ever thought I'd be in a 458 right now, I don't know if I would believe you, but I would believe you because I know I'm staying dedicated, bro. This is what comes with dedication, hard work, God blesses you. If you have a down, you have to come up, bro. Life is like seasons. Literally, life is like seasons, bro. If you have good times, eventually you're going to have bad times. If you have bad times, eventually you got to have good times. Like the weather, it gets cold, it gets hot, it has to. Without hot, it can't get cold. Without cold, it can't get hot. Keep working through times of pain. Keep working through times of hopelessness when you're confused. God's got you, bro. Just don't give up. Pray. And you may wreck your car, but look what we got, bro. What is a wrecked car when you got new stuff coming in, bro? New opportunities that I would not have had without wrecking my car. Meeting new people that I wouldn't have met without wrecking my car, bro. God is working in mysterious ways. So y'all check out the 458, bro. I'm about to go ahead and tint this 458, bro. I just got to get back in here because I don't know the next time I'll ever be in one, but I'm hoping it's soon. I woke up and this car wasn't even on my schedule today is what's crazy. I walked outside and it was there, dude. And it's just crazy how it's happening and everybody, how just life is moving. You have something negative, but if you just try to stay positive and just try to see the positives out of the situation, bro. Like, I'm working on a Ferrari right now. Like, granted, it didn't take me wrecking my car to probably tint a Ferrari, but this is how I have to tint the Ferrari. This is how I have to tint the Ferrari. Here we go. I was about to turn that thing on, chat. Don't let me in this thing. And I don't know why the windows don't roll up. I think that's gonna turn it on, bro. I'm not trying to mess with this, bro. I don't know how to roll up a window in a Ferrari. First time ever. And yeah, I guess we're gonna let someone else do that. Wait. Oh, I guess, hey, that sound was something crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I get scared in something I've never been in. I don't want to break the 458, chat, but look at that. 24,000 miles. We are in race mode. I've never seen a digital dash on a Ferrari, bro. It literally sounded like it was gonna turn on, and then I realized the start button was right here. I'm tripping. First time ever in a Ferrari. So y'all just be mindful, bro. This is my first time out here. I got a lot to learn. Eventually I'm gonna have my own supercar and we'll take care of it, but that is so crazy, bro. The cluster, 220 on the dash. No radio. Like, there's no radio in a $250,000 car, but look at the steering wheel. I'm gonna give y'all a look at what it is looking like with the windows up and everything like that. 30% on the sides. She looks good, man. First time ever in a Ferrari. He literally wrecked my Z last night. I can't get over it. And behind the scenes, I've got so much going on of getting it fixed and so many people helping me out. So I do want to appreciate everyone who's been helping me out. I'm about to try to back this 458 out and give y'all a vlog of my first time driving a Ferrari. Really just around the parking lot. But like, if you told me that I about killed my homie and me in a car accident and I'd be driving a 458 the next day and trying to fix my ZL1, I wouldn't believe you. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna pick this up. I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like, give y'all the ASMR Ferrari start up, maybe. I don't know. Let's turn the key on like that. It seems like it's on. It's my first time, so I could be wrong. I'm not gonna lie. Now it sounds quiet. It's good. It sounds good, and then it sounds like a heart fan thing. I don't know. What was it? He said he put it in gear. I didn't want to like start it and it start rolling.
Key, put on the brake and start.
Why does it do that? It's got valves or something.
We need to figure out how to open those up.
Yeah, because it sounds really good, and it might put it in a different mode and it might stay open.
It's in race mode.
What is on there?
Oh, it's got a different suspension button right there too.
Yeah. Maybe it is in the mode.
How do you open them valves? Open? No, that wouldn't be it. It wouldn't be that simple.
Yeah, I don't know.
car was clean,
Yeah.
you'd be looking fresh, you know.
Matt, we're about to make you famous. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. It starts up and you can kind of hear it.
I did in the Porsche photo.
The police report. This is actually a fresh wash floor. This has been mopped a week ago, 2 days ago.
We need a floor scrubber, right?
Yeah. Floor scrubber, something. That's what this is gonna get. This is gonna pay for a floor scrubber for all of us.
This is why, you know, actual advertising places have a photo booth, so,
Yeah.
you know, when lighting gets kicked out, fuck that third bay boy.
That's what I'm saying. We're gonna have enough money to get a light bay or something. 458. I can see in here. Oh, you're good. You can do whatever. I'm not shy on camera anymore.
I know, I just didn't want to be in the video picture.
Hey, you can be in there. First time starting a 458. See, it sounds good, and then it
Yeah, then the valve, well, it's got to have something there to hook them up.
yeah, some. All right, we're about to drive this first 458. Like, I'm driving a whole 458 right now, a whole $250,000 car. And your boy is driving this thing at 22 years old, chat. Oh yeah, we got something.
Charlie hops out. What's up, guys? Welcome to Unique Car Audio. That's what we do every day.
Send us your Ferrari, and we'll get it done. But yeah, I'll Jim, everybody on the job.
You see the new Rari? We the Rari boys.
See it, Rari
Spartanburg
boys,
with it, you
Pikachu.
know, putting the bird on the map.
You know, it's not regular out here. It's pretty much
2023,
Atlanta.
baby, just a conversion kit. We made it look like the old one. You feel me?
2011, but
It's
we're
not
coming new in
23, but I
2024.
put the 11 kit on it, on the outside.
You know what
feel
we're
me?
saying. Y'all see it. 488.
Yeah, that's the style
Imagine
now, throwback,
this.
you feel me?
A rock hitting that or something, or I don't know.
Hey, don't be
Thing is
talking about my whip like that.
Yeah, I ain't
Let's
gonna
not talk
lie.
about
I'm
the
sorry. I'm
Ferrari.
sorry. I didn't mean to
Yeah,
talk
we're not
about your
getting into it. I need
458
you to
here.
do a quick walk around real quick. Do a
Quick walk around, just shut the mouth.
Don't touch nothing.
Don't touch nothing. You see where we're at. Come get your cars,
We
though.
just got that thing coated, baby. That's fresh polish. On that.
Definitely that.
That's motherfucking, I don't even know what kind of polish. Seashell polish.
Diamond coat.
Diamond coat.
Yeah, that's diamond cut.
Definitely.
Alright, just talking about my car, Charlie.
Oh, okay. I like your car.
Thanks.
Looks good.
Oh yeah. It got smacked by
What's up,
something.
man?
How you guys?
Good. How are you doing? But yeah, I'll get some walk around stuff.
Christmas bonuses this year was lit.
What the fuck, Jackson? And the Lyman police. I thought I was getting pulled up on. I thought I was getting pulled up on, cuz. What you doing? We outside working. You can see 458. I'm doing big things out here. I think just without the light.
I want to hear
It's-
that thing. I want you to rev it too.
It just turns off like that, bro.
I want you to rev it that one time.
It doesn't have like neutral. I don't really know what it does or how to put it in neutral because it goes in first gear. I don't know if you hold both paddles in and it'll go into neutral. If you hold both of them in, like at the same time, pull them both in that. Yeah, neutral.
Let me hear that thing rumble.
Oh, make sure you got to hold it the whole time or it'll fly. So like while you hold it, make sure it goes in neutral and you should be able to rev it. Like now you should be able to foot on brake and rev type of deal or do whatever. I don't know.
That bitch is so tough.
That was crazy, huh? That was crazy. That sounds good, bro. Sounds good. Dream shit.
I'm gonna tell him when he gets home and say, take me a ride.
You think so?
I swear to God.
You will?
I will. I ain't scared.
It's now a couple days after I wrecked my car, and I haven't done a whole lot. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I've been stuck in the crib, just really chilling, and y'all know when you do get by yourself, that's usually all you think about is your thoughts. So sometimes the only way to get through your thoughts is to be alone, but sometimes doing nothing but sitting in your thoughts can sometimes be hard. I'm not gonna lie. This is my first time picking up the camera since the day after y'all saw when I wrecked my car. I got to work on that 458. I thought today I was going to be going to see the car for y'all, so I thought this last half of this video is honestly gonna be y'all seeing the car in the daytime after I've wrecked it and kind of going over what has happened. And I just watched the footage back and I'm not gonna lie, bro, I knew when I wrecked like it was the stupidest way to wreck ever, but it could have been a whole lot worse. Like, I went there with my boy CJ after we wrecked and looked at it during the daytime and just kind of wanted to see everything, and it could have been so much worse. And thankfully, the damage that did happen, it wasn't as bad as it could have been, and I got super lucky. I didn't hurt me or my friend, or go a little to the left and fly off the bridge, or a little to the right and hit my buddy's car. So the best way I could have wrecked, I wrecked in the best way possible. And I just wanted to say shout out to God for keeping me safe, because obviously we have bigger plans to do, but also a learning lesson to now I know not to record or be trying to follow so closely, because that can happen, bro. I'm a prime example of that. If you are struggling or you're going through hard times, bro, something told me not to be upset fully, and because it happens and there's nothing you can do about it. It happened. We just got to learn from it, not do it again. God's not going to put us through something that we cannot conquer. So we're going to be able to get through it. Just don't give up, man. And it's a weird kind of turn, and I'm going to go more into examples. So y'all leave me some questions, because I'm going to be doing a Q&A coming up and reacting to the video and everything, and reacting to how I wrecked, because it's super crazy. And I haven't even put anything on my social media at the time of recording this. So I'm kind of waiting to figure more about my car, try to get my car close to being fixed, or figuring out what route I am going to go, whether if the car is done or whether we're fixing it or what. So if you got questions, let me know down below. If you think what I should do when the Z is broken apart and y'all want to see new parts come to it, let me know any ideas y'all have, because I'm obviously going to have to replace fenders. So if I should go carbon fenders, or if I should just get normal fenders and just repaint the car, or not paint the car and wrap it, let me know, because now is the time to do it. Yeah, bro. I appreciate y'all through this time. I'm sorry I did not bring a better video to y'all, but this is just kind of where I'm at with this. I'm going to keep y'all updated through this process of wrecking my car, because I don't know what's going to happen. Like, I was supposed to be able to see it and provide that for y'all today. So hopefully next video y'all do see it's kind of more of what is going on with my car, and getting more into the process of fixing it, breaking it down, getting a list ordered, trying to see what we can do to get back on the road. This is road to 10K, bro. I promise y'all I'm not going to stop. I appreciate everybody who has supported your boy up to this point. Appreciate all y'all that are new to the channel. I'm going to catch up with y'all in the next, man. Peace.